Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with another entry into my challenge for my 400 SUBBIE giveaway. And this entry is number 27. It is from Mary Jane, and I just wanted to show her packaging, but also it arrived like this. And so I'm pretty sure they put it through the machine, even though you told them not to do it through the machine. Everything's still in there. And it's just ripping right here too. So hopefully everything is in there. Okay. So wow, wow, wow. Oh my goodness, how beautiful. Oh. Oh, and then she has lots of fun stuff, which a lot of it probably came out of the hole. Oh, look at how cute. Okay, let's take a look at her Memorydex first. And how pretty. She has this dangle cactus. Because, you know, I'm from Arizona. And it says, think happy, smile. It's a chunky little layer piece here with some gold twine and a rosette. It's a little shaker back there. Do you see the pieces? How fun. And the dragonfly. And then she's added this layered flower here. And then she has some of this gold. It's kind of stiff, so I'm not sure if it's wire or what it is. Beautiful. Love the dangle. Thank you so much for your entry. And here's the back. And she made a little pocket with some tulle here that you just... So let's see some information. She is Mary Jane, and she was born in February. Her favorite color is purple. And she is Mary Jane's Reviews here on YouTube. I will link her YouTube channel in my description box below so you guys can go check her out and show her some love. I absolutely love her theme over here going on with the desert. And then she also gifted me this beautiful tag. And look at the different cactus. They're layered. It says stay sharp. So pretty. And then she has this star eyelet here at the top that she's run some yarn through. And this is the back. So pretty. So thank you so much, Mary Jane, for entering my challenge. For those of you who are just joining us, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I'm just wrapping up on a SUBBIE challenge giveaway that I've been hosting. I will be announcing the winner July 3rd, which is any day now. So hope you guys are having a crafty day. Till the next video. Shakas.